Hi everyone, in this video we are going to go over the sort function. We are going to do two different types of sorts, one sorting by one column and the other one sorting using the whole data set. So I'm just going to scroll down a bit. Let's start over in cell L27. We'll type equals sort. I'll hit tab on my keyboard. Our array in this case is just going to be a single column, so we want to sort everything alphabetically underneath the payment column. So I'm going to select everything under payment. I'll type a comma. For our sort index, it's just going to be a 1 because this is a single column. I'll type another comma, and in this case we want to sort by ascending, so I'm going to type a 1, and I'll close my parentheses and hit enter. And now we can see everything is alphabetically, so it's reading cash, credit card, e-wallet. Now let's go over to cell N27 because now we want to sort using our whole data set. So I'm going to type equals sort. We'll hit tab. For our array, it's going to be everything underneath our headers. So I'll start in A28 and I'll go all the way to K37. I'll type a comma. Our sort index in this case is going to be everything underneath our product line. So if we count, that is our fifth column, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll type a 5. And then I'll type another comma, and for this time, for the sort order, let's put a -1 so it's descending, so it's going Z to A instead of A to Z. We'll close our parentheses and hit enter. And now if we scroll over and we look, our fifth column, that was our product line, we can see it going sports, home, health, food, electronic.